What's going on, guys? Markie from the YouTube channel online certification course. Here I got a tutorial in regards to how to build an organization around autonomy and teamwork. Comment below as to what you favor for, and we'll get started right after the intro. What's going on, guys? It's Markie Williams, and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be a priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Enjoy the tutorial. All the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. Comment below as to what you would like to get certified in, and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. In the workplace, autonomy essentially means having a job position where you can make at least some of the decisions on your own. The level of autonomy you can have vary dramatically, from having a say in your own goals or the project you work on, to deciding when and where to do your work. Teamwork is often mentioned as one of the top goals of many organizations. Working together in teams makes sense since it allows individuals with different skill sets to combine their resources and collaborate to solve a problem. Although teamwork is also challenging, individuals need to first develop trust in one another, be able to resolve conflicts, hold each other accountable, and adhere to team first mantra. So let's start with teamwork. Companies for many years were hung up on a command and control approach, meaning you will do what the management has experience in to tell you to do. Right off the bat, the problem with this approach is that your team will go only as far as the directions allow them to. In turn, will wait for you to come back with further instructions. For some people watching this tutorial is probably now thinking and bobbing their heads in agreement, but prior to this, never actually thought of it that way. Strange enough, a lot of managers love operating like this. These managers tell employees everything that they should do rather than allow them to decide for themselves. While working in teams could work successfully, but you have to pair up the right individual to create a productive team. But if you don't give some type of autonomy to the group, great ideas and motivations is going to go out the window real quick. Since you now have a team that you still have to delegate the project to and how to do it. So selecting the right people for a project, you want to make sure these people are knowledgeable in what you're trying to accomplish. If you need to create a 5-person team, you have to make sure all 5 is going to feed off of each other to make a difference for that project. If you only have 2 out of the 5 doing all the work, that they will also make a project fail, maybe not this time around, but definitely the next time around. Let's face it, some people need to be told what to do constantly in order to get things done. Yeah, it sucks, but like I've said, some managers love that command and control approach with their workers. But when it comes to autonomy workplace where the employees has the freedom to work in a way that suits them, keep in mind workplace autonomy will look different depending on your organization. Research show that workplace autonomy increases employees' sense of job satisfaction, creativity, motivation, and overall well-being. Many employers have found their employees to be more productive as they gave way and abandoned their micromanaging ways in favor of autonomy and self-governance. There are ways to create and encourage autonomy at work, such as, first and foremost, hire the right people with the mindset of autonomy. Create and communicate a clear vision and purpose, and to be sure everyone is on board and fully understands that. Support a growth mindset. Give your employees the tools they need. Support professional development, and take a step back. Could workplace autonomy be one of the clearest indicators of showing company culture out there? It's possible. A high level of autonomy at work shows a culture where owners and management trust their team to do their best. Along with better results, autonomous working improves job satisfaction, better employee engagement, and better is a doorway to better retention, lower absence rates, and easier talent attraction. So don't worry, management team. You're still needed for the behind-the-scenes workload such as meeting, going over forecasts and more meetings, and the occasional questions from your autonomous team when they come to a bump in the road and need a little guidance. Management still need to get updates throughout the course of the day. I personally think every 2 hours to see where the autonomous workers are at with their daily goals. So personally for me, I try to steer clear when it comes to teams. My personal experiences were not all that good and projects dragged way past their due dates, and along came finger pointing and it was just a mess. But when it comes to working in an autonomous position for so many years, they got 110% out of me all the time, and with productivity for me that stayed at all-time high. Many thanks for taking some time to check out my tutorial. All the links will be down in the description below. Please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below "done" and I will reply back. You can also check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these thumbnails that have certification courses you may have an interest in. I hope to see you on the next tutorial. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.